I'm going to show you how to use Soundcloud. First, you need to create an account. So you write your information and you create your account. Once you have an account, you can log in with the email that you have used and your password. And to upload a file, a recording, you have to click on Subir, and from there you can choose the file that you want to upload. Once you click to upload a file, you can choose your file from your computer. Press open and it uploads. It's important that it says public here so that we the teachers can listen to it. Once it has been uploaded, you will see this message and you can go to your track. In your track, if you have not included the public view, you can do that as well. And you can check in here that it's not private. Once we listen to your track, we're going to write comments in here so that when you listen to it again, your comments will appear in here. So you will receive then something that looks like this with different comments that when you listen again, the comments will pop up. That is the feedback that you will receive.